Let's get started with God's blessing. I hope everything is clear for you. Up there's something called free form, something called card by card. Card by card means that it presents your presentation slide by slide. It means it introduces your presentation and shows it to you slide by slide. If you told him what, your choice. Oh, Carter, card by card, okay? If you want to remove something specific or delete what's there, I don't want to overwhelm you. Look here. When you click on this, it tells you card by card and explains what will happen. If you click on free, it will say, well, here I'm creating your content in mini cards, meaning it's similar to cards, for example, like this long. The mini cards, for example, like this long, I mean longer. Anyway, I'm setting it to 8 here, and I'll click on the word continue. Focus with me now and pay close attention. After clicking continue, I've input the text. I want AI generated images and my output in Arabic. Choose your style or theme. You can choose what you like. Here, select your style theme, and by theme, your background should look nice. Choose a good background. I might choose this one, and my content will appear like that. Take your time. Choose what you like. Know you're selecting the template for your presentation. In theme options, choices like light, dark, professional. These are all professional themes. Browse and see what suits your content. Let's get to the important part. Know from the start what site we're using. Choose what you like. I won't dwell on this. Know you're selecting the template for your presentation. In theme options, you have choices like light, dark, professional. There are many options. I won't spend much time on this. These are professional themes. Browse and see which suits your content. Let's get to the important part. Know from the start what site or tools are available, so you know you're working with AI. And dark and professional mean I'm giving you a lot of options. I'm telling you I don't want to dwell on this because these are all professional themes. You can browse and see what you like and what suits you. Now, there's something about the camera. Similar things. I'm done with that. Now let's get to the important part. I want you to know from the beginning what site we're using, or any tool or any tools available on this big star and small star, so you know you're working with artificial intelligence. I will click on the word generate. I'll start by creating a presentation. Where is this presentation from? From the scientific material that I will provide for it. The scientific material that I will provide will appear in the card format that I specified for it. Let's take a look together. Of course, I'll leave it for a bit. So focus with me to see the creativity of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, pay attention to me. It starts with the information that I provided for it. It's starting to organize. Hold on, the time is working. It's working now and generating a professional presentation based on the information you've provided. No, and not just that. And it uses photos through artificial intelligence. God, oh, the beautiful words. Oh, the beautiful words. We told it to create 8 cards. It said, the basics of photography are excellent. Notice the design. It takes effort. See how colors and background match. It offers features for awareness. It gives you, just so you know, it got this aim from the account I logged in with. It's telling you, by the way, the basics of photography are excellent, and it placed a camera there. Look at how the slide looks. See how the slide is designed. Honestly, to design a slide like this would take time and effort, and you wouldn't be able to pull it off easily. Just pay attention to how the colors and background match each other. Now, it also gives you, by the way, some features so you can be aware. So let's take a look first. Let's check out the presentation that it created. It gives you, by the way, some features so you can be aware. Okay, come on. Let's first take a look at the presentation it created for me. Where do I watch it from? How do I view it? From the word present. I click on the word present and it starts showing me my presentation. First slide, all right? This is the first slide. I'm starting to move on to the second slide. No, my dear, just one. This is the second slide. And of course, on the second slide, we see exposure, aperture, shutter speed, which is the shutter speed, and the light sensor, which is the ISO. Here's the aperture, and it gives you a nice view. And what does it show you? The aperture view with the shutter speed behind it and the sensor inside it So it gives you a truly amazing perspective. If I go to the next section, white balance, what is this perfection? I mean, even when someone is explaining, you want to open up beautiful images, lovely shots, the effect of white balance, and it gives you something nice here. Where did I get this from? From the information I provided. I mean, it's designed for you like this. Look at the explanation I'm reading. Depth of field. And here, it leads you to what affects depth of field are the aperture, focal length, focus distance, and ISO. It gives you an arrangement like this, and this view makes you talk and see the effect of the image and depth of field on it. The hyperfocal distance and its definition, which is the distance between the lens and the sensor, and all of this, of course, is the physical dimension. So, of course, understanding it well. The sensor size, and here, the effect of size and night photography. So, of course, understand it well. The sensor size, here, the effect of size and night photography. Look at the pictures here. I don't want to tell you where I got this picture from, or if this is my picture or I don't. What? Work like this. By the way, guys, I want to bring the verbal effect to the right and to the left. I'll tell you how it changes over time. It's a very easy topic. Of course, as you can see, these are beautiful slides made with high precision that make your work look great. Let me give you an exercise here. Practice the details of improving your skills, learn, check out educational resources, try hands-on experiences. I'll give you some nice or good things as well. What's this about, guys? This is regarding, I'll click on the word exit here because I told him what? I told him I want information about the city. If I told him I want detailed information, you'll see that the information has increased here. The information here has increased. I don't want to waste your time because I have a lot of programs with me. I have many websites and I have a lot of tools. I won't waste your time on just one site. I'm the only one who will know. If you want to change the lens at any moment, you will be able to change it. I would like to give all these tools if you want to edit the writing. If I want to change any slide from this slide, or if I want to edit with AAI, I will give you this slide. Look at this beauty. I swear to God, awesome. I was blocked and I wanted to change or edit with AAI right here. And keep in mind. So what do you think, guys? I swear it's amazing. It also offers you something, meaning it tells you that you can ask it here and provide it with some information. For example, the information I provided you here is limited. So you can ask it here and it will give you other information. And here, this information, if it's available in English or Arabic, if you want to translate it, it gives you the option to translate. For example, this is in Arabic, or I might want to translate it into English. Or English UK, for instance. Translate. It has transformed. Keep that in mind. You can switch the slide without having to hold on to each word. No, don't do that. If you're studying Arabic or studying English, it won't make a difference to you. Because when you stand, you can know and understand the meaning. For example, if you have some terms or things that are unclear, you can flip them into the language you want. And here, of course, guys, there are many possibilities and many tools. I want you to take your time to explore them, because I said we will take a principle together in this course, and you will be involved in it. This duration, we will take a flower from every garden so that I can open up every field for you, and then you can go in and see the other possibilities at your own pace. Of course, here in Card Style, you can modify the layout and all those things. During this time, we will take a flower from every garden so that I can open up every field for you, and then you can go in and see the other possibilities at your own pace. Of course, here in Card Style, you can modify layout and all those things. Here, if you want to insert other slides or bring things from here. Here are also notes if I want to add them in moments. I don't want to add more tools to help you with your work. Okay, there's something very important that I want to conclude with. Of course, guys, if I want to take the time out of this site and create a second unit or a third unit or a fourth unit and add slides and all that, I can add time slides and make 20 regular slides and then go back and add more slides without any problem. There's something very important, and that is sharing. And always, 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 always. Colleagues are asking you how to download the file after Finishing the work? I mean, after the work is done? Yes, it's share. Yes, share. Just a moment with you. So here I am. I finished my work, and you need to pay attention because honestly, I downloaded my work in more than one way. And here I'm working at a university and I'm working on the blackboard. Focus with me on this part because I'm going to teach you some amazing things. It's not just about downloading your file, but also about the audio settings so I can hear any sound since I've completed the audio. So here, I'm going to show you something really nice. What is it? If you click on the word export here, like this. Export here, it will tell you if you want to download this work as a PDF, I will download it for you as a PDF. If you want to download it as a PowerPoint, I will download it for you as a PowerPoint. If you want to download it as an image, I will download it for you as an image. That's a nice thing. If I want to download it as a PowerPoint, I click on PowerPoint. Pay attention with me. I'm asking him to download it as PowerPoint, and this whole process is done by him. From him, he downloads it. PowerPoint, download. And this is the usual way to do this story. Or not, we will learn together something wonderful with some time. You will see something amazing in a little while. While the PowerPoint is downloading, let it load and we will learn the second thing. The PowerPoint has been downloaded to your device in the Downloads folder. If you open File, it will open PowerPoint. So what is this beauty? So let's finish up. God willing, what a beauty this is. My opinion, my opinion, my opinion, my opinion, my opinion. That's really great. It's something creative and very easy, and you can work on it easily. Of course, you can change this font in PowerPoint. There's nothing you can change in PowerPoint regarding the font type. You can choose a type that fits with the font, or just let the font adjust to your device. It's a nice thing. And now you have PowerPoint, which you can use to teach the students. Is that clear? All right, everyone. Is the download process clear? I hope the download process is clear.